My dear student, we will be discuss about the science class 10 chapter chemical reactions and equation. What is the chemical reaction and what is the chemical equation? Now this part is taken gets 5 marks. This is very important chapter. If you can clear the old fundamental through this part, after then the second and third chapter will be easy for you. Now what will be question given in the examination, and first type is objective. First type is objective. Objective means a reaction of chemical equation will be given by the examination. After we find out what kind of this reaction occurred in the above reaction. Now second type question will be put up difference. What kind of difference? Oxidation and reduction. Now the another difference between exothermic and endothermic. Now the third possibility is the difference between the displacement and dual displacement reaction. Now the third is very simple question will be put up, such as what is the renicity and corrosion, given with the suitable example. Previous year, if we will only focus on previous year exam, in this chapter 2 number of diagram was given, and such is first diagram was given the magnesium. What will happen when the magnesium is burned in the presence of oxygen? As we know, to form the magnesium oxide, please draw the diagram of this type of reaction. Now we will be discuss about the all factors which are involved in the main part of chemical reaction, and now the equation, such as we will be discuss about the first is chemical equation. First is chemical equation. What is the chemical equation? Before, if we learn about the chemical equation, now my dear student, what is the chemical change? Now we will be discuss about the chemical changes. Now we will be learn about the chemical changes by a simple example of used in our daily life, such as daily in your life you make tea from milk, such as water, tea, milk and sugar. And when will you burn the gas? What will be occurred after then 5 minutes? This pot is heat and the milk is changed into tea color, such as milk is found in white color and the milk is found in white color and tea is found into brown color. As we know, the milk is converted into tea. And I will ask you, can you get milk from the tea? Your answer, we can't get tea from the milk because the tea is a stable product, stable permanent, जो permanent product, and in this, what is the changes in chemical change? You will write the GST. GST is applied by central government. So we will say change of color, release of gas, and to change the temperature and to change the substance, to form new substance. These are parameter are involved in the chemical change. So have you easily learnt by new concept classes what is the chemical change, color change, gas release, to form new compound, and the temperature release. Such we find a reaction in which some parameter are observed, we can say this is chemical change process. Given as follows. Given as follow. First is, we will be use of this formula easily to change of color. First is to change of color. To release means evolution of gases. To change in temperature, the symbol is T. And fourth is to form new compound, and fifth is to change the stage of reactant. And if we noted these parameters in the reactant, in the reaction we can say this is the chemical change process. Now what is the chemical equation? After then we will discuss about the what is the chemical equation. Chemical equation such as I says a simple language when the carbon is burning in the presence of oxygens to form carbon dioxide, means when the carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is a name of equations. And what is the chemical equation? Such as I will say you should be X plus Y बराबर 10. This is the simple language, and I will say you please write this language into the chemical equation, mathematical equation. You will say X plus Y is equal to 10. This is the mathematical formula, mathematical equation, and this type is also known as in our chemistry. These are the chemical equations. So we can this type when the name of reaction are shown by chemical formula known as my dear student KNOW is right in the English medium, so it is known and between this type we will be use formula known as chemical equation. When the name of the reactions are shown by the chemical formula known as the chemical equation, it is the sufficient, and the examiner want to get your answer, and your answer should be made by the given by suitable example. Note, he want to ask what is the language is written your book. If you printed your answer according your book, you can get low marks, and if you answered give by your language, you can get good marks. So when the name of reaction are shown by the chemical formula known as a chemical equation, such as when the burn of carbon in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and this is a name of reaction, and after then we will be write chemical equation is this type. Chemical equation is this type. What is the chemical equation? Will be written by the carbon and oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is the chemical equation. Name is carbon and oxygen and carbon dioxide. Another example we will take by the chemical equations. When the burnt off magnesium in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. We will be write this chemical formula: magnesium oxygen 2MgO. This is the complete balanced equation, and after then we will be discussed about the balanced equation. What is the balanced equation? Now the next topic is balanced equation. What is the balanced equation? Such as this type: x2 plus y plus 3y is equal to 3xyz. My dear student, look at this reaction. Is this reaction is balanced? Your answer is, sir, is it no? This reaction isn't the balanced reaction. Then I will ask you why. You will say, in this reaction reactant x is 2 and here is 3, y is 1 and y is 3, and z is 3 and z is 3. It is balance and these are imbalance. And now I will tell you balance equation. What is the balance equation? When the mass of element in the reactant and in the product of is same, then this reaction is known as a balance equation. So we will be write at this type: balance equation, a chemical equation in which the mass of element in reactant and product are same. So this is balanced equation. The main purpose of the balanced equation: mass of element in reactant and product are same. So these are known as a balanced equation. And such as we will this type reaction: magnesium, example magnesium and oxygen 2MgO. This is Scleton reaction. Scleton reaction means imbalance reaction. Imbalance reaction. What is the Scleton reaction and imbalance reaction? We will know, and we will be described as this type: a reactions in which the mass of element in reactant and products are not same. This is the imbalance reaction, because the magnesium is the number of moles in this reaction. Magnesium is 1 and in this reaction is 2. So these are not the proper balance of magnesium element in this reaction. So these reactions are known as a imbalance reaction. And so why is required to balance imbalance equation into the balanced equation? Why is the required? So we will be describe the mass conservation rule. Mass conservation rule. We will the imbalance reactions into the balance reaction for the obey the mass conservation rule, and on the basis of mass conservation rule we will convert the imbalance reaction into the balance reaction. And what is the method is used to convert the imbalance reaction into the balance reaction? So this is the method is hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. This is very most fact hit and trial method are used to convert the imbalance reaction into the balance reaction. And for the first is obey the mass conservation rules, and the process, the method is used in this process hit and trial method. What is the hit and trial method? We will be used at this type when the reaction of such as example, when the reaction of steam to iron to form iron oxide. Iron, the symbol of iron such as Fe, and the reaction of steam is H2O gases, and these are found into solid phase. What will this form? Fe3O4 and H2 form iron oxide, and the oxidation number is iron oxide Fe3O4 3Fe minus 8 बराबर equal to 0, and this reaction बराबर 8 and Fe बराबर plus 8 divide 3. This is the oxidation number of Fe, and please don't hesitate, this is the part of the class 11th in organic chemistry, and in the 12th in organic chemistry we will be discuss about the deeply in this matter in the next year class. So this is the iron oxide. Iron oxide. And please tell me, is this reaction is balance? Your answer is isn't. This reaction is not balance, proper balance. Why? Here is element of F is 1 and here is element of F3, and oxygen is 1 and oxygen is 4, and now the hydrogen is 2 and now the hydrogen is 2. So what will be convert into balance equation? This is the Scleton reaction and imbalance equation. Other word in improper reactions. So we will be method is hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. What is the hit and trial method? This method is said if you want to convert the imbalance equation into balance equation, you should be first balance the maximum number of atoms are found in reactant or product. So magnesium in this reaction, maximum number of atom is oxygen. Here is 4, here is 1, Fe 3 and 4. So we will be balance the first atom which are found in the more quantity, so oxygen. So we will be, this type is equations Fe solid and H2O 4, Fe3O4 and H2. After then what will be, which matter will be balanced? Now the oxygen 4, now the oxygen 4 and now the hydrogen is 8, here is 2. So what will we do? And we will be 4 multiply, such as this type. In this reaction, hydrogen is 8, hydrogen is 8 and oxygen is 4, oxygen is 4. After then what will, which element will be balanced? Now the iron is found in 3, in here is 1. So we will be multiply 3. Here is 3 and now you can find out the calculated the element in the reactant and the product. So this is proper equation, balanced equation, and this is the very most according to 2023 exams. This is the one is the reaction is very most according to the yearly examination of 2023. And now we will be count the element Fe, H and oxygens 3, 8 and 4. Here is Fe, H, O. Fe is 3, hydrogen is 8, oxygen is 4. So the elements are in reactant and in the products are same. So this is known as a balanced equation. My dear student, what is the definition of balanced equation? You can write the definition in easy way. When the number of element in the reactant and product are same, so these equation is known as balanced equation. Other definition we can say, in the reactant and in the product, the mass of element should be same. So this reaction is known as balance equation, and this equation is depend on mass conservation law, and the method are used in this process heat and trial method. This is the very important process. And now I will give you a question for CW. You should solve the chemical equation. And I will give you a imbalance equation. According to the examination, magnesium and oxygen MgO. Please write the proper balance equation in your notebook. If you facing some problems, so please write in the comment box. We will solve your problem through new concept classes. Now after then the combination reaction. What is the combination reaction and types of reaction? Such will be types of reaction. What is the type of reaction? First is combination reaction. First is combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is exothermic and endothermic reaction. Fourth is displacement, displacement reaction, reaction. 5 is oxidation, oxidation and reduction, reaction, oxidation and reaction. These are the most important reaction, and which is the very most according to 2003. And now the decomposition reaction and the displacement and difference between the oxidation and reduction reaction and the redox reaction. The part of this is redox reaction, very most. Now we will be discuss about one by one. First is combination reaction. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to other new concept classes. Is a new in this education systems, and I know what is the proper problems in the English medium for science subject. So we will show all the problems, and you can get good marks in the examinations. So first is combination reaction. In easy language, combination reaction, combination reaction, combination reaction, combination reaction. What is the combination reaction? We will learn about this reaction. My dear student, there are two reactant. When these are combined to each other to form a product known as a combination reaction. So we will write this type: a reaction in which two or more reactants are combined to each other to form a single compound. This reaction known as combination reaction. What is the main peculiarities on this reaction? Two or more reactant are combined to each other to form a single product, to give a single product, to form a single product. And now such this type, such as A plus B, then the symbol of irreversible reactions C. This is known as reactant and this is the product. Have you seen in this reaction, two reactants are combined to each other to form a single compound known as a combination reaction. Now reaction, first is example of combination reaction. Example of combination reaction, first is burnt of carbon. Now we will write at this type: carbon oxygen and to form CO2. Carbon, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Note here to write the whole name of reaction. We will be explain the chemical equation. Now the chapter name is the chemical equation, and if you want to learn when the carbon is burned in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, known as the combination reaction. Another is example is formation of water. Formation of water, another example. Next example is formation of water. H2 hydrogen, hydrogen and O2 oxygen in the presence of platinum to form H2O. 2 and 2, here is water. And now we will be write at this type when the hydrogen and oxygen react in the presence of platinum catalyzed to form water. This is known as your formation reactions. And after third example is we will be write as this type. What is the third example of combination reaction? Burn of magnesium ribbon. Burn of magnesium ribbon. Now the magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is imbalance equation. Here is 2 and here is 2. This name is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. And the powder, this is the powder of white color, white powder. And we will explain, you must be write the answer of as this type, burn of magnesium reaction, and we can explain as this type in our mind when the magnesium ribbon is burned in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. And have you learnt all types of combination reaction? And the most fact is find out during the combination reaction the energy is released in this process. So this combination process is known as exothermic process. Exothermic process. Now we will be discuss what is the exothermic process, and you can write at this type. Note combination reaction are involved in exothermic process. Exothermic process. And what is the exothermic process? Now we will be discuss exothermic process. Exothermic process, a process in which the energy is released along with the product known as a exothermic process. A process, a process in which the energy is released along with the formation of product. Energy is released along with the formation of product, and this is the exothermic process. The sign of enthalpy phi is minus del HV. Sign of enthalpy is minus del HV. So this process is known as exothermic process, and we will be write as this type. What is the exothermic process? Here we written the definition of exothermic process, and this is the suitable example of the combination reaction, such as A plus B and to form C and the energy. यहाँ पे here is the energy symbol, means del minus del HV. This process is known as exothermic process. Release the energy, and we can explain by this graph, and this is the energy and this is the rate of reaction, path of reaction, and the graph is this type. This part is reactant, this is the product, and the gap between this is activation energy, EA. And now the energy between the reactant and product, the difference is del HE. What is the enthalpy? As we know, the energy difference between the product and reactant are known as the enthalpy. And what is the enthalpy? We will be counting as this type. Del H बराबर equal to E2 minus E1. E1 is energy of product, and minus energy of reactant. And now such example, energy is 2 kilocalorie, here is 4 kilocalorie, here is 6 kilocalorie, here is 8 kilocalorie, such is this type. Now the potential energy, this is potential energy increased from bottom to top. This energy level is shown as potential energy, and the energy of product according to this graph 2 and minus energy of reactant is 6. Show the del H value is minus 4. So we can say in the exothermic reaction the graph is shown by as this type, and now this is the threshold energy. Threshold energy. What is the activation energy? A energy is required, minimum energy is required to reactant converted into product known as activation energy, and the in the exothermic reaction the del H will be sign is minus del HV. And what is the endothermic reaction? What kind of graph is endothermic reaction? So we will be find out the endothermic reaction curve is this type. This is the potential energy and this is the path of reaction. And now the graph is this type. And now that is the reactant and this is the product R and P, and this is the energy level E2, this is the energy level E1. E1 because this is reactant, this is product, and this is the gap between del H. And now this is the activation energy. This is the threshold energy. Now that H is equal to E2 minus E1 in this curve. Obviously the value of E2 is greater than E1, and we can explain in simple way 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 10. So we will be right at this time. This is the only to explain this process. Notice the properly true. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Show the symbol of del H is plus VE. Means in the exothermic reaction the sign of del H enthalpy changes is shown in the negative signs, and the endothermic process the enthalpy changes in the positive sign. We will explain in this according to this curve. And example of the exothermic process. Example of the exothermic process. What is the example of exothermic process? Example of exothermic process, and the peculiarity is release of energy along with product. Now the del H बराबर equal to plus VE. Del H enthalpy changes is in the minus VE. The sign of enthalpy is minus, means minus H del HV. And the example of burn of carbon. Carbon plus O2, reaction is CO2 and plus del E. Energy and minus del H. And minus del H how to find? We have already described in previous curve. Now the another example of respiration system in the respiration. Now the another example of exothermic process is respiration. Respiration. Another example of respiration. What is the respiration? When the glucose are decomposed in our blood to carbon dioxide and water and to release energy as the form of ATP, known as this process is known as the exothermic reaction. Respiration, as we know in our blood, the glucose is decomposed into CO2, H2O, and to release energy. So this process is known as exothermic process, and we will be write as this time C6H12O6 is glucose. In the presence of oxygen, when, as we know, in the blood the glucose is decomposed in the presence of oxygen into CO2, H2O to release energy to this process known as exothermic. And now the CO2 and H2O or plus ATP means energy, ATP 6 and 6. Here is 6. And these are ATP. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. When the completely glucose are decomposed into CO2 and H2O, means in aerobic respiration, then the 36 ATP is formed, and otherwise in the non-aerobic form, the glucose, when the glucose is decomposed in the absence of oxygen to form, here is in the place of H2O lactic acid and ethanol to form only 2 ATP. And we can say in the aerobic respiration 36 ATP form, in non-aerobic the 2 ATP is formed. So we can explain all the kind of combination reaction. After the next part we will be discuss about the decomposition reaction. Thank you for watching this video.